Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. First of all, you have to open your Stylar website, link in description. Then you have click on sign up and sign in your account with Gmail. We'll create new project. Click to add project name with select the in ratio, then apply. Click or drag here to upload images, click to button here. Here we will add the image which we want to convert into 3D. We transform the image by picking it from the corner. Click to image and selection, choose a style. Then click to Stylarize button here. Automatically generated in 3D. After waiting for a few minutes, the image will be generated and will come to you. 4 images will be created and appear in front of you. You have to select one picture which you like. If you want to generate the image again, you will have to select the style in which you want to generate 3D image. Again, click to Stylarize and next automatic generate 3D AI image. To move the created image to the canvas, click on Place on Canvas. Now I will show you AI images create one by one. Then click to Export and File Type to save images. Select JPG and All Image Export 4 Pics button here. WinRAR file download. Right to extract file here. I will show you final result 3D AI images. Hope you like this video very much. Subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you, bye bye.